कतरी वज़ीर-ए-आज़म का वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ और फील्ड मार्शल सैयद आसिम मुनीर को खिराज तहसीन। ये सिर्फ शुरुआत है। कतरी वज़ीर-ए-आज़म के मुताबिक हम अपने खित्ते के बेहतर मुस्तकबिल के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। आज जो कुछ हो रहा है वो खित्ते और दुनिया की सलामती के लिए अहम है।
Let Sheikh Mohammed speak, please.
First of all, I would like to welcome you here, Mr. Vice President, Mr. Prime Minister, your leadership and Field Marshal leadership actually initiating that process. That's what brought us here today. I think that every one of you has highlighted how important is this meeting, how historic is that event, and how significant is that agreement, not only on the security of the region, but also for the security of the world and for the global economy. What we have done and what we have achieved, we wouldn't achieve it without the dedication and the hard work that was done by you, Mr. Vice President, and Mr. Steve Woodcock and Jared Krishna, Prime Minister and Field Marshal, and also on the Iranian side, Dr. Haiwa and Dr. Al-Abdi. I'd like to thank all of you for your leadership and determination that put us in this room, and this is not really the main celebration. Our celebration when we reach the ultimate agreement. Hopefully, this is just the beginning.